How to change user account name in Windows 11. In this video I will show you several ways to change your username in Windows 11. First way. Right-click on the Start icon. Next, select Run from the menu that opens. A window will appear to launch the program. Here we need to enter the word NetPliz. N-E-T-P-L-W-I-Z. After that, click on the OK button. After the user accounts window appears, we click on the line with the user whose name we want to change. Next, click on the Properties button. In the window that appears, we can change the username. Click on the username field and enter a new name. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. After that, click on the Apply button, and close all windows by clicking on the OK button. In order for a new username to appear, you must perform sign out and sign in. Second way. Click on the search bar and enter Control Panel. Launch this application by clicking on it. If the icons on your PC are displayed differently, you need to switch the display type to categories. Next, click on User Accounts. Do it again. Click on the inscription, Change your account name. In the window that opens, you can edit the current username. To save the new name, click on the Change Name button. In order for a new username to appear, you must perform sign out and sign in. Finally, if you are using an account linked to a Microsoft account, you can change the username within your account online through a web browser on the Microsoft website. Thank you for watching.